What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Dodge Challenger RT getting wrapped in this really nice tech wrap Madeira Red. So this color right here, I'm honestly digging it right now. So it has like two colors in one, so to speak. Right now it's black, but if I move it this way where the light is bouncing off, it turns into like this orange red, like a sunset red. Really nice color, honestly. So depending where the light hits it, it's gonna throw off these colors. They also do have the matte red Madeira, and then there's the glossy version of the Madeira Red, which I cannot wait to do like a fender or hood. I really want to see it from different angles, how it's thrown off these colors. Look at this, it's like a reddish orangish darkish in one, and then wabam, gloss black almost. Really cool. So let's begin. You guys are gonna like this one. Well, here you go. All that's left is the front bumper, the driver's side door, and that's it. I did something special with the hood. I did a two-tone on the hood. Initially it was wrapped like the whole hood was wrapped in this color, but then I said, look, I think we're gonna be overkilling this a little bit, you know, wrapping the whole car in this color. The car is already gloss black. Let me use the gloss black to my advantage. And so, well, played around with the hood, used knifeless tape, and you guys can see it looks amazing. Honestly, gloss black goes really well with this color, if you guys didn't know, or if you guys have carbon fiber. Now this side is complete, the whole thing, including the door. Left the side mirrors gloss black on both sides, and the door handles as well as the antenna. Now, very important, make sure you post heat this vinyl, so all the edges and whatnot. And that's a wrap for this one right here. Check this out, you guys. Looks amazing, honestly. You could see the sun beaming off the hood and the roof. It gives you that sunset red orangish color. Very nice color, very rich. Doesn't look too much. Honestly, I would recommend this to anyone that's wanting to do their car in this color. Honestly, you guys, I enjoyed working on this car. I'm gonna take you guys around real quick, show you guys this side right here, because remember the driver's side door was not complete. Well, now it's all complete. Look at this, you guys. Wow, amazing. Now when I go on the opposite side where the sun is not bouncing off, look at this, how it's changing color. It looks almost like purple mixed with red in a way, but then once I go back, you see right here, just wow, just that transition just overall turns into like that sunset red. Like I said, very nice rich color. This would not look too much if you were trying to go with this, because I know there's a lot of vinyls with like chameleon effects. They look a little bit too much. This is perfect. Personally, to me, I would recommend this. I would honestly do this to my car. And that'll be it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share it with whoever's interested in this color. And I will see you guys in the next video.